Pratiksha. I'm from Nepal. I'm here because of Sochi. I'm here of Russia. Russia is the biggest country in the world. I'm here to study, and here I choose the Sochi city because of here are good, and here is tourism area, and there are many beautiful places, and tourists are enjoying their time here, and they love the Sochi city because of the climate is suitable for them, and they are doing various activities like they travel here and there, and here also maybe many more mountains where we can go and climb the mountains. Here is little bit Nagara.